Good morning, students. So today we will continue with chapter 4, that is health and hygiene of class 6th biology. Students, today we will discuss table 4.5, that is some communicable diseases. So what we have to discuss in this table, we will discuss some of the diseases which spreads from infected person to healthy person. Okay. So first disease is cholera. What happens in cholera? There is passage of watery stool and vomiting. Watery stool means loose motions. Okay. So causative microorganism is bacteria. How it is transmitted? Through water or food. So preventive measures: do not allow dirt, water and dust to accumulate in your surroundings. Means you have to keep your surroundings clean and you have to make sure that dust, dirt and that stagnant water, it does not accumulate in your surroundings. Okay. Second is tuberculosis. What happens in tuberculosis? There is cough and fever. Causative microorganism is bacteria and transmission, it transmits through air. Okay. So preventive measure is immunization with BCG, that is Bacillus calmette and guerin, or Bacillus of calmette and guerin. Okay. Then students, immunization is a process in which we increase the immunity of our body. Okay. Then third is typhoid. In typhoid, what happens? There is fever, there is loose motion. Again, causative agent is bacteria and transmission is through water and air. So basically what preventive measures we have to take to protect ourselves from this disease is we have to dispose that human excreta and other excreta far away from water bodies, and along with this what we have to do, we have to cover them with sand. Okay. Fourth is common cold. Common cold is very common communicable disease. What happens in this? We have a runny nose. Okay. It is caused by virus and it is transmitted, or it is spreaded through air. So basically what we have to do, we have to keep ourselves away from the patient. Okay. Fifth is chickenpox and smallpox. So in this chickenpox and smallpox, small pustules they develop over the entire body. Okay, these pustules are the small round shaped structure filled with the pus. So again it is caused by virus and it is transmitted through air or by direct contact. How we can protect? We can protect ourselves by continuously washing our clothes, and we have to keep ourselves clean and just do not handle the food of the ill person. Okay, then moving on to sixth disease, it is measles. What happens in measles? We have a red eye, we have cough and nasal discharge. So again it is caused by virus, it is transmitted by air, and preventive measure is not to use patient's clothes and other belongings. We have to make sure that we do not use the clothes of the patient and his other belongings, other items. Seventh is polio. It is paralysis of limbs. Okay. Again, what causative microorganism is virus. It is transmitted by air or water. So avoid physical contact with infected person. This is the best way to protect ourselves from polio. Then diarrhea or gastroenteritis is what happens in this: vomiting is there and there is passing of watery stool, that is loose motions. Causative microorganism is bacteria, fungi, toxins, intestinal parasites. पेट में जो कीड़े वगैरह रह जाते हैं इंटेस्टाइन में. Transmission, how it is transmitted? Through food or water, contaminated food or water. How we can protect ourselves? Keep the food covered, wash your hands regularly, drink clean water. Okay, the ninth and the last communicable disease is rabies. It is actually what happens in rabies. The person have fear from water, and it is known as hydrophobia. Hydro is water, phobia means fear, fear from water. Again, causative microorganism is virus. It is transmitted by bite of an infected dog. Whenever a dog bites you, the saliva of that dog enters your body portion, and that saliva contains that virus. Okay. Preventive measure is wash the bite with soap and water, and then what you have to do, you have to apply the antiseptic. Okay.